Welcome guys to a ViewSonic unboxing. My name is Ray and I'm here to show you a really cool product. In fact, I would go as far as saying this is probably one of the coolest products that ViewSonic will have out this year. The reason why is because this is our first portable monitor. This is a VG1655 or a 16-inch, technically 15.6-inch portable monitor. And right now on consumer channels like Amazon, this category of monitor is actually the fastest growing monitor category. Now, why is that? There's a couple reasons that I can throw out. One of them is there's a lot of uncertainty right now in work environments and working from home scenarios, and something like a portable monitor is an extremely flexible solution. So without too much preamble, let's go ahead and get into this thing. Let's show you what you have in the box, and I can show you that everything you need to set this up is included with the product. All right, opening it up here. And the first thing you're going to see right on top here is actually the cover that comes with every single one of these. Let me pull it out. All right. And this is just a nice little cover that'll make sure that you can kind of prop it up. It also keeps it nice and protected when you're not using it. So we like that. I'm going to set that off to the side. Some instructions, need those. A nice little microfiber cloth so you can keep it nice and clean. Of course, your manual. And then let's get into the panel itself. This is a 15.6-inch IPS display. It's a 250 nit display, and it is a matte coating. So if you're working in a somewhat bright environment, more than just an office space, the matte coating will really help make sure that you can still see your screen. Because we went with a 16:9 15.6-inch display, this is very comparable to what you would have in most of your laptops. So it's like adding double the screen real estate to just about any laptop. And we'll show you here in a minute exactly how those all go together. So let me just peel this off here so you can get a good view of the product. This is the most satisfying part. There you go. Everybody loves that. And then on the back of the product here, you'll see it's got a built-in stand, 2 speakers. Let me pull out the stand here. And you can see just like that, easily supports the monitor, allows you to adjust the angles. So maybe you want to work on it a little bit higher, you can do that. Or if you want to go all the way down, you can go down to a much lower angle on this. On this side, there isn't anything, but I do want to call attention to this side right here. So we've got a mini HDMI. This is really cool because it means if you've got like a PlayStation 4 or you've got an older computer that maybe doesn't have Type-C functionality, you still have full HDMI support. So this will work just as an HDMI monitor. When using it with HDMI, you would want to use the external power brick, and we'll get to that in just a minute. The cool ports, though, are these 2 Type-Cs. These Type-Cs ensure that you can run this thing with a laptop all day long with just one cable. So that laptop is going to give power to this monitor, and that in turn means that you don't have to carry anything extra with you. The monitor, one cable, and you're good to go. Now, if you do want an even cooler setup, in my opinion, let's get back in the box. And we do try to include everything. So we do have an HDMI in the box. It's got your mini HDMI on the one end, and then it's got the full-size HDMI on the other end. So no excuses if you can't connect your computer. We also have included Type-C cable. This one is nice because it's actually a 90-degree, so it keeps it nice and sleek on the side here. And then we have a second one, and this is the cool part. So this is actually a USB-A connector, and it connects to this power adapter. Now, this power adapter, at first glance, may seem a little bit big for a monitor of this size, but that's intentional. This is actually a 60-watt power adapter, bigger than you're going to find in any portable monitor. And the reason that we went with a 60-watt power adapter is so that you can plug this thing into your wall. About 7 watts will actually be consumed by the panel itself, and then the rest of that power will go off to power your laptop. So if you want a really easy setup, you've got your laptop, you've got your portable monitor, and you've got your one power adapter. You can charge the whole thing, keep power running to your portable monitor, and power your laptop at the same time. So that's why we included a really nice 60-watt power adapter rather than a 10 or a 15-watt that would be sufficient for this panel. So now I want to show you guys exactly how this setup works and how easy it is to connect your laptop to it. So we've got the VG1655 right here. I'm just going to move this over a little bit and bring in a laptop just like you would use every day. And being that this is a late model computer, it does have 4 Type-C connections on it. So you can use even multiple of these monitors if you wanted to do, say, a 2-screen setup or a 3-screen, you can do that as well. So I'm going to connect it right here to the laptop. And then, nice thing about Type-C is it doesn't matter the direction, it is reversible. And we're going to connect it here to the monitor. Should take a second for the monitor to kick on. And you'll see the screen sizes are very similar. This is a 15-inch laptop. This is a 15-inch portable monitor, 15.6 and 15.4, I believe, on this. So now we've basically doubled our screen real estate. So if you need to do a workflow that uses multiple things at the same time, I know I personally am in Excel all day, so I usually have my Excel in one window and I'm looking up stuff or I'm researching stuff in the other window. This really helps with those workflows, and it ensures that you can have that style of workflow and productivity in any setting that you want. So this is a truly portable setup. In fact, let me show you real quick here. We're going to close up the laptop. We're going to close up the portable, and you can see just like that, that is all you're talking about in terms of a dual screen setup. And if you want to have it even more protected on the go, all you need to do is take your stand here and hook it right up. So we're going to do that as well. All right. And there you go. And now your monitor is nice and protected when you're carrying it in your bag or even just in your hands. This monitor does also have dual speakers and headphone jack. So if you need audio as well, that is included. So this has just been a quick unboxing of the VG1655. As I said, it's one of the most exciting products that we'll be bringing out this year, and we hope you get your hands on it very shortly. These are coming to market right as we speak. Make sure to join us again for another exciting ViewSonic unboxing video in the near future.